At the elevation of 2,500 meters, behind the lush green trees and amidst the sharp peaks of the Karakoram Mountains, lies one of Pakistan's hidden gems, the Lower Kachura Lake. Less than 30 minutes from the Skardu International Airport, you can go for a day and explore this man-made lake, or enjoy a longer stay at the famous Shangrila Resort. Established in 1983, the resort offers all amenities for a fun-filled, relaxing family stay. The prices start from 21,000 rupees and can go up to 70,000 rupees a night, with rooms showcasing the magnificent view of the heart-shaped lake surrounded by the lofty mountains. While there, don't forget to explore another scenic location just a 15-minute drive away, the Upper Kachura Lake, where you can hike and go trout fishing, a sure way to entertain adults and children alike. We'll talk more about this in our next video, so stay tuned.